How to enable dynamic email in Gmail. This tutorial shows you how to turn on interactive emails that let you take action without leaving your inbox. First, open Gmail in Chrome on your computer. After that, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Let me show you. From there, click on See All Settings. At this point, stay on the General tab since it opens there by default. In the next step, scroll down until you find the Dynamic Email section. Following this, click on Enable Dynamic Email if it isn't already selected. Once done, scroll further down and check that Always Display External Images is selected under the Images setting. From here, scroll to the bottom and click on Save Changes. Keep in mind, choosing Ask before displaying external images instead will also disable dynamic email, even if the main toggle is on. Finally, look for a small lightning bolt icon next to an email's date to confirm it's using dynamic email. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable dynamic email in Gmail, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.